What is up to my channel, guys? So today's video, for no title, I'm gonna prank my sister that I broke my neck. Okay, so basically I'm gonna start recording and she'll be like, what's going on, Janiyah? Why are you recording? I'm gonna be like, I'm just vlogging. Okay, we're vlogging. Alright, and I'm gonna get ramen, like some noodles, and go. When I told her, like, can you rub my neck? So we're gonna get into the video, so let's get into the video and get started for today. So we're vlogging. She already knows I'm vlogging. Come on! I'm with Mommy's in the living room and I'm right here. I'm vlogging. Stay out of my vlog. I'm vlogging for the day. Oh my god. Alright, can you go to the living room real quick? I need to tell them a surprise.
Stop, your hands are for the hands. Like, just tell me.
No, it has to be a surprise. You'll find out now if you go to the living room.
No, I'm hungry. Here. I want this.
Ow, I banged my toe.
Say it to them quietly so I don't hear them. I just can't cover my ear. Naya?
Yeah. Can you go to the living room? Fine, then I'm getting the iPod.
No.
Jason, please go to the living room.
No, I'm hungry.
Go. Alright, can you go though? Mama's gonna get you.
Stop scaring me. I'm gonna tell you.
Wow. Oh wait, it didn't break. I really didn't. You still have more videos and the password saved.
Because I remember the other day you deleted all my videos.
No, I didn't.
The other day. Naya.
You want? Oh. My God. It's been a long week since I did. It's been a long week since I. It's been a long. Oh my God, why?
Is this Scarlet?
Say hi to my
I
vlog.
already said hi.
I don't know, read it to me. Talk to the people. Tell them what's going on in school.
With me or you?
With you. How's like school going? What you learning? Oops.
It's good.
What did you do today in school?
I was at STEAM and somebody we were playing with robots and somebody we were playing hot potato with one piece of robot's head, and then it was just me and this boy playing hot potato because all the kids got out, and it was just me and him. And then when all people got out, he accidentally the robot accidentally the robot accidentally hit me in my nose, and I had to go to the nurse, and I had to get an ice pack.
Let's go for it.
Huh?
Hmm.
What are you eating? Let me see. Say ah. Are you eating a crouton?
Mm-hmm.
Say ah.
My neck hurts. Can you scratch it? Wait, scratch me?
No.
Please? My neck really hurts. If you do it, Susan, if you scratch my neck for me, if you scratch my neck for me, I'll let you keep my phone for an hour. Fine. I'll let you keep my iPad for the week. Go. Can you scratch my neck? It hurts. Please. Go. Alright. Like, do this. Okay? Because it really hurts. I have pain. Go. Go. Not like that. Go. You cracked my neck. It's a prank.
I did not expect that.
How do you feel? Like, were you actually scared?
I was scared because
Talk over here. Come over here. Were you scared? Did you think you actually cracked my neck? Huh?
yeah.
Like, were you so scared? Well, that's it.
I farted.
Well, that's it for my first prank. So give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down. I know it was kind of tacky, but like it was my first prank ever, so yeah. Keep on commenting anything else, and shout out to being next week on Thursday when I post. So yeah, bye.